Hi, today I'm here for explaining human joint, body joint. Okay, in human joint, there are combination of lubrication. You're watching. This is the two bones of the knee, right? Among between these two bones, there is a fluid. The slippery fluid has been given for having, the movement could be very smooth movement. So fluid, because of the lubrication for slippery purpose, okay, and these fluid are continuously being produced from the synovial membrane. So in a same joint, there is a question of slippery. As there is a presence of slippery, so nature, almighty, whatever you define, also has arrangement of tight binding, that is with the ligament. Ligament, I need to tell about the difference between ligament and tangent. Tendon. Okay, I'm not going that chapter. So ligament has a anti-resist, mean the tensile power. Mean ligament has little elasticity, but that elasticity is not that much that your bone become dislocated. Okay, so in a tough situation, ligament, this is ligament. Ligament could be little elasticity could be held there, but that is fixed because there is a chances of dislocating. There is a chances of dislocating. So you can move because of the fluid lubrication, but your joint cannot be dislocated. So this tendon, this ligament have been given there. As there is a question of movement, so there is a chance of being hurt. So also there is a shock absorber. There is cartilage have been given. Cartilage is the soft bones, but very, very hard inside. Soft and hard, brittle, never broken. So there is also shock absorbing arrangement. So lubrication, tightness and shock absorbing mechanism, 3 matters have been combined in a joint. Okay, and total area is covered by the capsule. So this is the part of human biology. After explaining these, we will take the exam. Thank you very much.